Okay, so it's currently 2:12 GMT, and I'm currently looking for a long and pound dollar in this area at 23.5, and just looking for a little bit of a clip given how sticky the price action is right now. So when I say sticky, I mean you can see you can see this little movement, but just a second, might even execute this one. So we are in no. Okay, so just here, and yeah, we are in now, and the stop goes below 380. So just going to set this up, and it goes below 380. So there we are, and let's see very clean run into the level. So you can see it's a 18 pip run into our level. So it could draw back in a little, but given certainly this is a much higher probability trade. So is to show you this level. So this is on 15-minute chart, and this comes in with this little thicker base, two pockets of liquidity, and so the much higher probability on this one. But if price continues to run straight into this level, I'll take this with the stop below here. But as far as the current trade goes, so as I can see, I'm in at 495. So just to show this, it's 495, and so you can mark it. And looking for a first scaling out. Well, I know this can pose a little bit of problem, so this level, but I don't know if I want to get a little bit of greedy in here, but I think I'll take 20% out at 10 pips, and then I'll take a major chunk at 16. So if we mark at 495, so it comes at 595 in here. So let's see. So just I'll set it up, and here we are. So I'm looking for a first scaling at around 595 area, which is 10 pips. So, and I think if we do consolidate a little bit of an here, or if we hit my first target, I'll move my stop from currently, which is minus 12 pips from just below here. So we can reduce our stop by half. So let's see if it does get there. This is a first scaling, so I'm just going to keep an eye on this one here. And just to go over euro, so I'm also looking for a long in euro in here. A little bit of you can see range lows in here. So but given the thing in the euro is this, so you can see a little bit of this reversal formation. So not much desirable in terms of quality of the level, but certainly can see some response in here, and I'll trade it if it does come into this round, or it sticks around and during the London close hours. So then I think I'll trade into it, but not right now, because currently in 15 minutes New York is about to open, so I don't want to be standing in front of the floors when the New York session opens. So that's it. That's for euro, and pound is currently 8. Okay, so we are out of 20% of the position, and the stop has now been scaled in at I'm just going to keep it below this area at around 32. So just going to move it at 32. Okay, and the next chunk of the position comes out in here. So I'm setting it up, and there we go. So we're in, and the stop has been moved in here. So it's quite a possibility that this is what we get right now, and it might just hit us. So that's okay, but I know it's certainly the power is to the downside right now, and this little shelf can pose a little bit of a problem, which it is doing right now. So this is the 5, and I think I'll just I just actually want to move my stop just below this low, because then we'll be more or less, you know, we'll end up positive. But just let's see. I mean, if we do break up of this shelf area, I think I'll move my stop just in here. But certainly we can make another retest below this low, or near this low, and then might come up. But I think currently chances I could break to the downside, given the time, because in 10 minutes New York equities will open. So let's see how this goes. So as you can see, it made a retest down in here, and currently I don't like what it's doing right now. So you can see this particular rejection, and then sort of sitting here, and also the New York equities open in about 4 minutes. So this might take a release down to the downside, and I don't know if it does take this higher, then might even keep the position. But otherwise I think I'm just going to close it. But so far now you can see it's kind of drawing up a little. So at this point I'll just move my stop in here, just below that low at 73. So it's the stop is currently at 472, and the stop has been moved in here. So just to mark it, so it's currently at 472. So the sell has been moved at about 2.3 pips. So now the position is fairly taken care of right now. Now there's no stress on that position as far as the position is concerned, because it will be a break-even trade rather than a loss. So it's okay, because I would have held held this position, but given that the New York equities open in about 3 minutes, so which can bring a fair bit of volatility into the market. So I don't want to be a victim of a move to the downside and be hanging on this position. So let's see, because you know, a better trade is waiting for us down in here if it does break. So let's see how this goes right now, and let's see how do equities open for the day. Looking for a move to the upside into this 4076 area. And as far as euro is concerned, didn't still came into my level, as you can see, stalling right now. But let's see. Okay, so we are about to be stopped out right in this trade, and it's still sitting at the lows right now. And let's see. I mean, there's a higher probability that it could take a release to the downside right now, given how it's trading right now. If it doesn't take a move up into 580, let's see. As far as euro is coming into a level, but I don't want that trade right now, because you know, I would have much preferred this move coming directly into my level. I would have made the trade and, you know, scale something out, but not right now. If it does extend into my deeper level, which is around 08180, I might take something in there, but no, just I might be demo trade in here, not a live trade though. And let's see, it hit our second exit, so I scaled 40% of the position out in this area. Actually, I wanted to get I wanted to take the profit in this area, but I didn't have a limit order, so I executed in here. And I really thought that it would come deeper into this level, but it didn't. And the reason I explained, because of volatility, and not the volatility, but the price is so sticky right now, and these little nuggets are responding nicely, so that's why I took a little bit of a risk in here. But the main reason being being long in here is you can see, this data move really clean this high out, and there's not much in here, so we might run into this here. This is where my full take profit is, and in 950 area, and I think we can respond nicely in here. And if it run clean side, we might take a short, we might take a short in this 950 area. And as far as UA is concerned, didn't hit anything as far as my levels are concerned, and really taking a one side move right now. And let's see if we can get any further with this. The stop is at break even right now, so it doesn't matter. We are in for about 40% of the position right now, and the stops are at break even, and the full take profit is in this 950 area. So it's running very clearly into a level, and I've already placed a take profit, and I took something out and in here because of this little level in here, and the price was running very thin, so just waiting for a short up in here, and the stop has to open above this area. So let's see if it comes deeper. So taking the same equity that I built up in this trade and putting it here. So let's see if it comes. Okay, I'm also in this trade and taken a trade here, and the stop is kept at 0.45, and let's see if it draws back in. Date, so I took a shot in here, and the stop has been moved just above the big figure at minus 6 pip something around. It's at actually 0.6 or 20, just above the big figure, because it might take another stab into and the something came out at around 37, so as you can see 10 pips, it's actually 70% or 60%, so I'm out at 70% of the position, and currently looking at deeper level. It might stall in here, and here I think I might take something out in here as well, and a lot of, and like most of the position in here, because this is the tag that is moving the price up. So if it comes there, but let's see how this goes. And but this position is taken care of right now. And as far as euro goes, nothing, it didn't came up into my level, this level. So as you can see, nice release on SPY as well. I wanted a short up in here, just to show you this chart, so I didn't. I was busy with the pound trade, but you can see this scaling of the level. So we can see some drawback into the range right now. If it does comes below and starts trading into this range again, we might see a release to the downside. Let's see how this pans out. Okay, so I took something out, and here it didn't get to my levels. I instantly closed it here, but this video is done, only 10% is remaining, and these are the positions quickly. And the first took an entry in here, most like 20% out in here, most of it out on the long, and some in here, and then full closure here. And as far as short is concerned, this is short, and took something in here, then here, and leaving the 10%. And let's see if it does go further down, but this trade is done right now.